There are four ways you can use can. One is for ability, second possibility, third request, and fourth is for permission. Alright, ability. For example, you can say, I can speak 5 languages. I can play cricket. For possibility, we can find good restaurants in Chennai. You can get the key from Elvin. For request, can you help me to move this table? Can you call me back in the evening? And for permission, can I leave? Can I ask you something? Can I drink water? Alright guys, I want you to write one sentence for ability, possibility, request and permission in the comment section. Thanks for watching. God bless you.